Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. The short issue which arises for consideration is whether the state of Bihar was justified in withholding 10% pension and full gratuity of the appellant under circulars dated 22nd August 1974 and 31st October 1974 and government resolution dated 31st July 1980 on the ground of pending criminal proceedings stop. The appellant was appointed to the post of touring veterinary officer at Pawana, Bihar by the respondent state stop. While the appellant was in active service, he was made an accused in the fodder scam lodged by the CBI in RC case number 48A of 1996, wherein a charge sheet was filed against him on 21 November 2003. Stop. The Special Judge CBI Animal Husbandry took cognizance in the criminal case. Stop. The appellant was placed under suspension on 31st May 2002 under Rule 49A of the Civil Services Classification, Control and Appeal Rules 1930, which were in force prior to the enforcement of the Bihar Government Servant Classification, Control and Appeal Rules 2005. Stop. The appellant continued to remain under suspension till he attained the age of superannuation on 31st March 2008. Stop. On attaining the age of superannuation, the state government wide order dated 17 September 2008 sanctioned payment of 90% of the provisional pension of the appellant and withheld 10% of the pension, entire gratuity, leave encashment and GPF on account of pending criminal proceedings. Stop. Aggrieved by the action of withholding 10% pension and other retiral benefits, the appellant filed a writ petition before the Patna High Court praying for a writ of mandamus directing the respondents to pay full pension, gratuity, leave encashment and general provident fund along with interest. Para. The appellant inter alia contended that the Bihar Pension Rules 1950 do not prohibit payment of full pension and gratuity to a retired government servant against whom criminal proceedings were pending. Stop. Rule 43B of the Bihar Pension Rules is not applicable until the delinquent employee is found to be guilty of grave misconduct in a departmental or judicial proceedings or to have caused pecuniary loss to the government by misconduct or negligence. Stop. Consequently, Rule 43B would not be applicable during the pendency of criminal proceedings. Stop. Reliance was placed on the judgment of this court in State of Jharkhand and others versus Jitendra Kumar and others, wherein it has been held that Rule 43B does not permit withholding of pension and gratuity when departmental or judicial proceedings are still pending. Stop. It was further contended the government resolution dated 31st July 1980, being an executive instruction, had no force of law and could not take away the right to receive pension, which is recognized as a constitutional right under Article 300A of the Constitution stop. The state of Bihar filed its counter affidavit stating that a sum of rupees 12,78,711 towards GPF and rupees 1,35,256 towards leave encashment had since been paid to the appellant on 15 January 2009 and 3rd February 2009 respectively. Stop. The state justified its stand on the basis of circulars dated 22nd August 1974 and 31st October 1974 issued by the Finance Department, read with Government Resolution dated 31st July 1980, which lays down that if a government servant retires while under suspension, he will not be entitled to payment of full pension and gratuity, and at best would be entitled to payment of 90% of the provisional pension till the conclusion of the departmental or judicial proceedings stop.